Welcome to the Louisville Manufactured Housing Show's 3D virtual tour. Created by Johnston Photography and powered by Matterport. This 3D interactive virtual tour was created as a tool to assist those manufacturers and vendors who exhibited to have access to the resources of the show after it has taken place. This includes the show floor, manufacturers' content for their show homes including Matterport tours of their models, video, website links, flyers, and any other content that they wish to include. Vendors can also add links to their websites, product information or contact information directly on their booths. In this short video I will explain how to use this tour. In the middle of your screen should be a large play button with Explore 3D Space below. Click on the play button to start the tour. After a few moments the tour is loaded, you should see the welcome screen. A quick introduction to the tour and a few notes on some of the controls. You can click the X at the top right of the welcome screen to close and proceed to navigating the tour. You will notice that there is a circle around your mouse cursor as well as circles on the floor of the tour. If you click and hold your cursor away from the circles on the floor, you can move the camera around and view in any direction. If you click on one of the circles on the floor, it will navigate to that circle. When you navigate and explore the tour, you'll come across content tags and content banners. Tags are small icons that can be color-coded to correspond with different manufacturers or vendors to help their content stand out from the others. The tags that you see on the front doors of these models are links to the Matterport tour of that model. The banners that you see on the models are links to videos that will open in pop-ups. Clicking on the 3D home icon will move you into Dollhouse View. This 3D view allows you to see the entire tour and easily navigate around the show floor. Clicking the floor plan icon will change it into floor plan view, offer the same quick navigation. There is also a guided tour button that will take you to various spots throughout the tour automatically, and refreshing the web page will return you to the beginning area of the tour. This tour is also VR ready and can be navigated by any of the commercially available VR headsets. This rich and interactive resource is a one-of-a-kind addition to the Louisville Manufactured Housing Show, and we encourage everyone who exhibits to participate in this tour to make it an ultimate companion service. For more information on this 3D virtual interactive tour or how to participate in it, please contact Johnston Photography at 800-372-2512 or by email at contact@johnstonphoto.com. Thank you.